For Intermarmor, with nearly 50 years of experience, every project is a challenge.
Intermarmor is a group that is covering different areas regarding the natural stone, ceramic and facade ventilate with metal structure. So the mother, we can say, is located the main house in Novelda when we have the big office.
It presented all its materials at Cevisama 2017.
We process blocks from marble, granite, limestone, sandstone, all of them, so we can give the option to our customer to take one full option in natural stone.
The Intermarmor group is made up of two other firms, Faveton Terracotta and Characo.
Faveton Terracotta SL is a company that specializes in the design and fabrication of terracotta ventilated facade panels. Our qualities, I would say that it's quality, value, modernity, service, technicalities.
Values that endorse the products of Faveton, that has presented original finishes.
Our new range of stone finishes, which is a panel that mimics natural stone effects.
Characo works with ceramics and porcelain, and at Cevisama 2017 it has also presented new additions.
Some 30 by 90 white body rectified wall tiles, also 40 by 120 white body rectified also, and some porcelain tiles 42.5 by 86. Also we have 15 by 90 porcelain wood imitation.
A wide range of sizes and models adapted to the needs of their customers. Intermarmor, a reference group in its sector, develops national and international projects. In each and every one of them, the quality of their materials is combined with innovation and creativity to make each idea a fusion of art and nature. Designs based on stone.